Hey guys, this is what is leverage on Etoro. So guys, watch till the end as I dive in deeper on what is leverage. And guys, I made this table over here so we can have a better understanding. So guys, leverage allow investors to use borrowed money from a broker to increase their buying power. So guys, how this work is that it lets investor trade larger positions with less of their own capital. So guys, for example, with 30 times leverage for major currency pairs, $1 in your account equals $30 to trade. So guys, the benefits of this is that it enables small amount of capital to achieve a larger investment, and it has a potential to maximize returns. But the risk over here is that it amplifies both potential profit and your losses. And if the market move against you, it could result in losing your entire account balance. So guys, the factors that you should consider is your risk tolerance and how much loss you can handle. And guys, your maximum leverage vary by the asset type that you have. So pretty much it will be depending on your preference or your choice. And guys, the more you understand how leverage work, it increases both your gains and losses. And always be aware of the leverage rate for the asset you're trading, and just simply consider the risk involved on what you are doing. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.